Shortly after violent tropical storm Peng slammed Cavite Saturday night, the municipality of Navalita was severely flooded. According to Mayor Dino Chua, major flooding was brought on by upland Cavite's intense rainstorms, which also wrecked a river wall close to the Ilang River.
Kanino yung kila Mang Adoy? Ito yung sa likod. Yan. Masyadong delikado na yung riverside.
After severe flooding invaded their homes, at least 8 families in barangays San Juan 1 and 2 and barangays San Antonio 1 and 2 have requested assistance. The second flood is still affecting Cavite residents, however it has already subsided. Many residents are currently on the roofs.
Sa likod po, kuya! Sa likod! Madami na hindi natulong! Mga bata, saka matanda!
After rescuers were unable to access any of the inundated districts, the mayor pleaded with the Philippine Navy and Coast Guard to send assistance.
Dito galing yung tubig.
They are currently residing on the second floor of their home due to the storm, and residents of Navalita uploaded a video of the surging river that was captured from inside their homes.
So, maganda na po ito sa ano.
Because of the strong current, rescuers are having difficulty getting to the region. Particularly children, elders, those with disabilities, and infants are being helped. People were trapped in their homes and in cars that were inundated in the flood. Chua, the brother of Navalita Mayor Dino Chua, captured the footage while riding in a 6x6 military truck that the Philippine Navy was operating in the region to conduct rescue operations.
Dumating na yung mga Red Cross. Salamat po. Ang bilis ng tubig, sobra.
As the truck drove by, people were gesturing for assistance. Due to driving against the river, even the 6x6 truck the local executive was traveling in broke down during the operation. Right now, a lot of individuals are stranded. A few minutes later, the truck was restarted, but it was unable to proceed because 2 buses that had become stuck in the flood were in the way. Severe tropical storm Peng had already passed over Laguna de Bay and the Metro Manila-Rizal Bulacan region as of 10 p.m. on Saturday. And another tropical depression is expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility by Monday, per the Weather Service Pagasa.
Ito mga kalusot.